Hi guys, I'm Katrina Pearson.
Hi, I'm Eugenia Leonardo.
Hi, I'm Danielle DeBellis, and this is our physics project on how a cell phone works.
Hello.
Hey, so how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I've just been really wondering lately how cell phones work. Do you know?
Well, a cell phone is a wireless phone that uses shortwave telecommunication to receive and transmit signals from towers. The cell phone systems divide an area of service into a set of cells.
These cells are in the shape of hexagons so as to provide maximum coverage between towers.
Hexagons? Why not circles? I always assumed it would be circles.
Well, circle has holes.
A phone tower or base station in the center of the cell covers an area of 2 or 3 square miles around the tower. Cell phones transmit to towers, which then connect you to the normal land-based telephone system to route the call. In other words, a handoff has to happen when you move from one cell to another. Basically, the signal from your cell phone goes to the cell towers, and from there, it goes to other cell towers until it reaches your destination.
Oh, I get it. Okay, so now that I know how the waves are transmitted, but what about the waves themselves?
Well, cell phones transmit radio waves, which are sine waves. Radio waves contain vibrating electromagnetic fields. This is the negative aspect of cell phones as it makes them more susceptible to interference.
Interference? What's that? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me now?
No, you can't, because of interference. Interference occurs because radio signals from the cell phones and towers all reflect back and forth between buildings around us. Now I'm going to show you how interference works. Here, we have a building. Here we have a tower emitting waves. And your cell phone. The tower emits waves which are reflected off of the building. Your cell phone is also emitting waves when you're talking on it or you're texting someone. Those waves interfere with each other. This is destructive interference. This happens when the waves overlap each other and cancel each other out.
Oh, so do you understand now?
Yeah, I totally get it. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. So I actually have a question for you.
Mhm.
What about cancer? I heard that cell phones can cause cancer. Is this true?
Well, cell phones emit radio frequency energy, which is a type of electromagnetic radiation. How much radiation a user is exposed to depends on various factors, such as the technology of the cell phone and the extent of usage. The worries about cell phones and cancer is increasing because of the yearly increase in cell phone usage. However, no studies have yet been able to prove that cell phones cause cancer.
I heard that it was a controversial issue. One side says that cell phones cannot cause cancer because they emit very low level of radio frequency energy. However, the other side is worried about the fact that cell phones are held so close to the brain and heat as a form of energy is produced,
To summarize, a cell phone transmits radio waves,
which sends the signal to the cell towers.
And from there, transfers the signal from tower to tower until it reaches the person you're talking to on the other end.
Hopefully, when we're using our cell phones, there won't be any interference and we won't get cancer.